Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 and today I would like to show you how you can use app lock on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll down and select apps section. Following that, click on app lock and choose turn on. Now you need to think about your pattern. I will go with the simple one. Enter it and repeat it. Then select next at the bottom right corner and choose sign in and add or don't add an account. I will go with the second option, the first one in this case. And then select not now in the pop-up. Over here you can lock all of those apps right away by clicking on use app lock right away. Sorry. But you can also click on all of those apps and choose use app lock then. After that, you can also add your fingerprint to unlock your apps by going into settings. I will go with console though, and finally I can select apps that I wish to lock by tapping on the switcher next to them, like for example gallery. Now when I click home button and try to access gallery, and as you can see pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!